Good morning, kids. It's Math Day today. I'm your teacher Lut, your Math Dali partner. So, let's start. For today's lesson, we will have translating real-life verbal expressions and equations into letters or symbols and vice versa. At the end of the lesson, you must be able to differentiate expression from equation and translate verbal expressions and equations into algebraic expression and equations and vice versa. Okay, tell whether if the group of words is an expression or equation. Number 1. A number increased by 4 is 12. Yes, it is an equation. Number 2. 30 is equal to twice a number decreased by 4. Equation. Yes, it is. Number 3. 30 taken 5 times k. Yes, it is an expression. Number 4. 5 times a number is 50. An equation. Number 5. 7 multiplied by the sum of 12 and 4. The answer is expression. Good job, kids! Let's differentiate an algebraic expression from an algebraic equation. 4 plus n is the sum of 4 and a number. 4 plus n equals 7. The sum of 4 and a number is 7. If n is equals to 3, then 4 plus n is equals to 4 plus 3. 4 plus n is equals to 7 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase, while an equation is a mathematical sentence. An expression has no equal sign, while an equation is with equal sign. The value of letter or symbol can be changed in an expression, while the value of letter or symbol can be changed in an equation. Very good! Study the following picture. Mary and Ramon lost their jobs due to pandemic, so they thought of making face masks to make a living. Mary saws twice as what Ramon saws, and the total face mask they saw is 120 in one day. How many face masks does Mary sew? How many face masks does Ramon sew? Before we proceed to our lesson, I want to remind all of you to always wear face masks, face shield, and observe social distancing when going out. To find the answer to the problem, you need to translate the word phrase into mathematical expression or equation. Let's use variables to represent the number of face masks. Since the total number of face masks they saw in a day is given, represent the number of face masks each saws. Let x be the number of face masks Ramon saw. 2x be the number of face masks Mary saw, since she saw twice as Ramon. So, x plus 2x equals 120. So this is the equation. To translate word phrases into algebraic expression, the important thing to do is to familiarize the words and phrases associated with symbols or operations. Here are some examples of words or phrases. For addition, we have increased by, more than, the sum of, plus, added to, the total of. For subtraction, we have minus, less, less than, the difference of, decreased by, diminished by, subtracted from, taken away from. For multiplication, we have the following word phrases: times, of, the product of, twice, multiplied by. For division, we have divided by, the quotient of, the ratio of. For equal, we have is, equals, is the same as, equal to. Here are some examples of word phrases and their algebraic expressions. So we have the first one, m plus 1, the sum of m and 5, m increased by 5, 5 more than m. So the algebraic expression is m plus 5. Next is n minus 12, the difference of n and 12, n decreased by 12, n diminished by 12, 12 less than n, 12 subtracted from n. The algebraic expression is n minus 12. Third one, 2 times y, twice of y multiplied by 2, the double of y, the product of 2 and y. The algebraic expression is 2y. For the fourth one, x divided by 4, 1/4 of x, the quotient of x and 4, the ratio of x and 4. The algebraic expression is x divided by 4. Let's have some examples. Number 1, twice a number added to 10. So let x be a number. So the algebraic expression is 10 plus 2x. Number 2, a number decreased by 5. Let n be the number. The algebraic expression is n minus 5. For number 3, the quotient of 15 and 5 subtracted from the product of 15 and 5. So the algebraic expression is 15 divided by 5 subtracted from the product of 15 and 5. For number 4, we have 50 is equal to thrice a number decreased by 10. Let y be the number. So 50 is equal to thrice a number, that is 3y, decreased by 10. So the algebraic equation is 50 is equals to 3y minus 10, or 3y minus 10 equals 50. For number 5, 5 times a number is added to 8. The result is 63. Let a be the number. 5 times a number, that is 5a, is added to 8. The result is 63. So the algebraic equation is 5a plus 8 equals 63. All right, let's try wrapping up your learning by completing the sentences. Choose the answer from the choices below and write your answers on a sheet of paper. So the words are decreased, less than, more than, taken away from, equal sign, multiplication, the sum of, increased by, numbers, variables. So here are the sentences. Number 1. An algebraic expression, or simply an expression, is any meaningful combination of blank and operation symbols. Number 2. Mathematical sentence with an equal sign which shows that two expressions on either side are equal is called blank. Number 3. In algebraic expressions or equations, blank and blank means addition is the operation. Number 4. In subtraction, blank, blank, and blank are the clue words that tell subtraction is the operation. Number 5. In translation of word phrases, the keywords the product of clue you that blank will be used. I'll give you a minute to answer the questions. Your time starts now. Let's see if you got the correct answers. Number 1. An algebraic expression, or simply an expression, is any meaningful combination of blank, blank, and operation symbols. The answers are variables and numbers. Number 2. Mathematical sentence with an equal sign which shows that two expressions on either side are equal is called blank. The answer is equation. Number 3. In algebraic expressions or equations, blank and blank means addition is the operation. The answers are increased by, more than, the sum of. Number 4. In subtraction, blank, blank, and blank are the clue words that tell subtraction is the operation. The answers are less than, taken away from, and decreased. For number 5, in translation of word phrase, the keywords the product of clue you that blank will be used. And the answer is multiplication. That's great, kids! Let's see now what you can do. For exercise 1, the direction is match the phrases in column A with their equivalent algebraic expressions in column B. Write the letter of your answers on a sheet of paper. Number 1. Thrice the sum of a number and 8. Number 2. A number diminished by 7. Number 3. Increase the product of a number and 4 by 5 is equal to 25. Number 4. 3 times a number increased by 6 is 15. Number 5. 20 plus twice a number. For exercise 2, copy the table below on a sheet of paper and write the corresponding word phrases for each algebraic expression and equation. So that is also 1 to 5. I'll give you a minute to answer the questions. Your time starts now. Let's see now your answers. For test 1, the answers are number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter D. Number 4, letter A. And number 5, letter B. For test 2, number 1, 4 times a number divided by 5. Number 2, a number diminished by 3 equals 13. Number 3, the sum of a number and 39 divided by 7. Number 4, the quotient of 90 and a number is 15. And number 5, twice a number decreased by 32. Great job! Wow! Very good, kids! Thank you, kids! Until our next lesson, bye! Stay safe!